Welcome in Technoguru. For complete update, like us and subscribe.
Everyone, I hope your preparation is going well, and you know what, here I am going to discuss about numericals based on refractive index. Okay, and let us start. And here numerical is what? Light enters from air to glass. Okay, suppose that there is a boundary layer of separation. Okay, and here what, it is first medium. Okay, and it is the boundary of separation. Okay, and it is what, it is second medium. And here what you will see, light enters from air to glass. It is here and this is glass, and having refractive index of what, refractive index of 1.50. Then what, refractive index of glass with respect to air is what, 1.50. Okay, got it? And what is the speed of light in glass? If the speed of light in air is approximately 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, here speed of light is given what, in speed of light in air is 3 into speed of light in air is what, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, and what we have to find, we have to find speed of light in glass. Okay, speed of light in glass. Okay, first of all we have to write what is given, and here given is what, speed of light in air 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, and refractive index of glass with respect to air is what, 1.50. Okay, you already know what the refractive index is, dimensionless, because speed of light in air upon speed of light in vacuum, then what, both SI unit will cancel, yes or no? Okay, then you know to find what you have to find, speed of light in glass. Okay, and come on the solution. Solution is that here what, the refractive index of glass with respect to air, the formula will be what, speed of light in air upon what, speed of light in glass. Here speed of light in air is what, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, and you have to find speed of light in glass, and refractive index will be what, refractive index is 1.50. Okay, then to find speed of light in glass, 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon what, 1.50. Okay, and if you will see what, into 100, okay, 1.50 था, है ना? तो आपने पॉइंट किया तो 100 आ गया. ओके, ये हो गया. एंड अगर आप देखोगे तो क्या होता है जी, 2 10 इंटू 3 वाट, 30 इंटू 10 का पावर कितना हुआ, 8. ओके, then upon 15, then 15 to the what, 30, then what, 2 into 10 का power 8, and here SI unit will be meter per second, and this is the complete answer. The next question, and here what is given, given is that the refractive index of water is what, 4 upon 3, and for glass is what, 3 upon 2 with respect to air. And what is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? First of all, what is given? Given that refractive index of water. Refractive index of water. Okay, is what? 4/3. And for glass, refractive for glass is what? 3/2. Okay, and with respect to air, ठीक है, तो वो refractive index of water with respect to air and refractive index of glass with respect to air, then what is 3/2. And what is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? Then what you have to find? Refractive index of glass with respect to water. Okay, if you will see that solution, come on the solution. Refractive index of glass with respect to water. Okay, then what? Refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, into what? Refractive index of air with respect to water. Okay, रिफ्रैक्टिव, देखो आपको जो क्या है यहाँ पर क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर, है ना। तो आप देखो अच्छा एक कॉम्बिनेशन बनाओगे तो इसमें क्या होगा, एयर कॉमन होगा, ठीक है। तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर एंड एयर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाटर, देन यू मे से व्हाट, द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाटर। ओके, तो हियर व्हाट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट फर्स्ट ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर, मल्टीप्लाई विथ व्हाट, refractive index of glass, refractive index of air with respect to water. Okay, and if you will see that then what, refractive index of glass with respect to air and refractive index of water with respect to air after dividing it. Okay, अब जब suppose that आपने क्या किया, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई किया है और जब आप इसे डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या होगा, जब इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा तो देन व्हाट, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ चेंजिंग, यस और नो। मान लो आपका एयर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्लास है तो फिर एयर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाटर है, देन व्हाट, आफ्टर रेसिप्रोकल इट विल बी रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर होगा, ठीक है। तो अगर जब आप पुट करोगे तो क्या दिया होगा, आपका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर कितना दिया होगा, 3/2। ओके, एंड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर कितना दिया हुआ है, 4/3। ओके, तो अगर जब आप देखोगे तो 3/2 into 4 into what, 3। okay, then 3 3 is 9 and 4 2 is 8। okay, then this is the correct answer, refractive index of glass with respect to air, sorry, with respect to water. This is the complete answer, and you know what, this is the complete answer. Okay, come on the next question, and here what is given that the refractive index of a material is 1.4 meter if the velocity of light in vacuum is what, 3 into 10 ka power 8 meter per second, then find the velocity of light in material. Okay, and here you have right what is given. Okay, then what, the refractive index of material is what, the refractive index of material is 1.4. okay, and the speed of light in vacuum is what, 3 into 10 ka power 8 meter per second. Okay, then what, you have to find speed of light in material. Okay, and what is speed of light in material, ठीक है। refractive index of material with respect to vacuum. Okay, for solution you know what, refractive index of material with respect to vacuum, then what, speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in material. Okay, and you will get what? Speed, refractive index of material, and speed of light in vacuum is what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And then after dividing it with by what? Speed of light in material. Then for speed of light in material, you have to use what? Cross multiplication method. Okay. And here what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1.4. Got it? And after dividing it, you will get what? 2.3. कितना है जी? 30 into 10 का power 8 upon 8 upon what? 14. 14 2 जा 28. ओके. एंड व्हाट? फिर उसके बाद से क्या होगा जी? 2 बचेगा. ठीक है. 2 लेफ्ट कैरी होगा तो क्या होगा? 20 होगा. तो व्हाट? 14 1 जा 40 इंटू 10 का पावर 8 वाट मीटर पर सेकेंड. 2.1 इंटू 10 का पावर 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड इज योर कंप्लीट आंसर. ओके.